This modern lakeside house reinvents the traditional architecture of Wadas, blending cultural heritage with contemporary aesthetics and functionality in a design that embraces nature. The house features a substantial exposed brick facade, providing visual continuity with traditional Wadas and utilizing locally sourced materials. This choice adds thermal mass for regulating internal temperatures. Entering through a narrow alley, visitors experience an intimate transition from the exterior to the interior. Wada houses, traditional to Maharashtra, India, are known for their robust construction and inward-facing design centered around a courtyard, fostering social interaction and climate protection. Adapting this classic design for a modern residence required preserving the Wada's essence while addressing contemporary needs. The central courtyard is the heart of the home, allowing natural light to illuminate the spaces and enhancing the connection to nature. The design carefully considers human scale, creating functional and comfortable spaces. Elements such as doorways and ceiling heights create an intimate atmosphere, reflecting the human-centric approach of traditional Wada architecture. The fortress-like exterior contrasts with the openness of the interior, a hallmark of modern design. Inside the house, open spaces with large glass walls and folding doors connect the interior to the lake. A small pool at the lake's edge adds a touch of modern luxury while maintaining harmony with the environment, offering a relaxing space for the family. The design thoughtfully integrates the house with its lakeside setting. With its exposed brick facade, central courtyard, landscaping, pool by the lake, and a narrow entrance reminiscent of old Wadas, the residence harmonizes historical architecture with modern living. Its contemporary design incorporates private gardens. Two landscaped courts separate the bedrooms from the living areas, serving as natural buffers. Mature trees provide privacy and shade, enriching the home's environmental quality. Incorporating modern sustainability practices while honoring its traditional roots, the house features a rainwater collection system for efficient water management, along with natural ventilation and passive cooling. This modern lakeside house transcends the definition of a mere residential structure. It reinterprets the traditional architecture of Wadas, blending historical reverence with contemporary innovation. The exposed brick, central courtyard, and landscaped courts reflect a balance between past and present. By integrating natural elements with sustainable practices, the house pays homage to its roots while addressing the demands of modern living, serving as a heartfelt tribute to the residents' cherished ancestral Wada memories.